Daily use bangles and 6 months color guarantee will be there. These are CZ stone bangles. These also bangles here also there. Starting from 3000 to 1300, 1400 like that. And these are 1 gram gold neck sets. Starting from 800, 900 to 7000 till 7000. This one is 6000. This one 3000. This one also 3000. Like that. Ranges are like that. Least price is this one 500. And these all handmade chains. We can customize all those chains. These collection we can customize everything. If you send any, these are strawberry beads and Victorian pendant. This one also mehendi pendant, mehendi finishing pendant and strawberry beads. This one temple jewelry, Lakshmi work. This one around 3000 change. This one also mehendi finish pendant with onyx beads, 3 lines onyx beads. These are black beads. Customize, we can customize black beads also. Kids bangles starting from 250. One gram gold bangles.
Okay, 250. Inni rolls are 300.
Guarantee is not there, but quality will be good. Don't apply water and pencil because stone. Because of stone, you should not apply water. These are handmade earrings. These are handmade earrings.
Thank you.